हाय एवरीवन, नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत आपका स्वागत है एलीट मिस राजस्थान के इस एपिसोड में। हम रोज एलीट मिस राजस्थान में शाम को 5 बजे आपके पास लाइव आते हैं और आपको एक ऐसी हस्ती से मिलवाते हैं जिन्होंने अपना करियर, अब जी हाँ, जिन्होंने अपना करियर एलीट मिस राजस्थान से शुरू किया हो और आज वो किसी ना किसी मुकाम पे हैं। इस क्रम में हमने अब तक जिन लोगों से आपको मिलवाया है उसके बारे में एक बार जरा रिकैप कर लेते हैं, इससे पहले कि हम आज की गेस्ट को इनवाइट करें। अब तक जिनसे हमने आपको मिलवाया है वो हैं चारवी ताने दत्ता, जो कि एक फाउंडर मेंबर हैं एलीट मिस राजस्थान की और अभी बहुत सक्सेसफुल फिल्म एक्ट्रेस हैं। एक फिल्म कर रही हैं, टिकटॉक स्टार हैं, उनके 2.5 लाख से ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे। उसके बाद हम मिले थे नेहा जायसवाल से, जो कि लीवा मिस दिवा 2020 की रनर अप हैं और वो एलीट मिस राजस्थान 2016 की विनर थी। तो एलीट का एक और जो उन्होंने प्राउड फील कराया उसमें नेहा जायसवाल। उसके बाद हम मिले थे सोनाक्षी चानना से, जो कि एक सुपर मॉडल हैं और एलीट मिस राजस्थान 2015 की प्राउड विनर हैं और मैक्सिमम ब्रांड्स के लिए जयपुर में वो इस वक्त काम कर रही हैं और उनके भी अराउंड 70,000 फॉलोअर्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम है और वो एक स्टार हैं। उसके बाद हम मिले थे लेखा प्रजापति से, जो कि एक फिल्म एक्ट्रेस हैं। 2014 में उन्होंने एलीट मिस राजस्थान दिया था और इस वक्त वो एक बड़ी फिल्म आर्टिस्ट हैं। अजय देवगन फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में वो काम कर रही हैं। उसके अलावा बहुत सारे टीवी कमर्शियल्स में आपने उनको देखा होगा। नच बलिए भी वो कर चुकी हैं। काफ़ी उनका करियर उस वक्त बहुत उड़ान पे है। उसके बाद हमने हमारी करंट चैंपियन, हमारी करंट जो क्राउन होल्डर हैं दीपाली नरूका, उनसे आपको मिलाया था। वो भी अभी मुंबई चली गई हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा कर रही हैं। उन्होंने भी एक टीवी है। उसके बाद हमने आपको मिलाया शिवानी परिहार से, जो कि डाइडम मिस इंडिया की प्राउड विनर हैं, एलीट मिस राजस्थान की 3rd रनर अप लास्ट ईयर 2019 की और इस वक्त बहुत अच्छा अपने करियर में वो भी कर रही हैं। उसके बाद हमने आपको मिलाया नवनिधि सिंह से, जो कि पेशे से एक डॉक्टर हैं। 2018 की हमारी 2nd रनर अप हैं और इस वक्त बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं अपने करियर में। बहुत सारे फैशन शोज, बहुत सारे शूट्स का वो पार्ट हो चुकी हैं और ईवा मिस इंडिया की फाइनलिस्ट भी हैं वो 2018 की ही। आज हम आपको जिससे मिलवाने वाले हैं, शी इज अगेन फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन। वो अजमेर की रहने वाली हैं। अजमेर से उन्होंने एलीट मिस राजस्थान 2015 में उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था और उससे लेके आज तक 2020 तक उनकी बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशनल कहानियां हैं। आई एम श्योर आप जब उनसे मिलेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने करियर में बहुत अच्छा किया है। इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल में भी वो जा चुकी हैं। बहुत सारे टीवी कमर्शियल्स वो कर चुकी हैं। बहुत सारी वेब सीरीजेज वो कर चुकी हैं। ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड का वो टूर कर चुकी हैं। पूजा भट्ट की वो बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी हैं। फुटबॉल लीग खेलती हैं वो मुंबई सुपरस्टार टीम से। जी हाँ, मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड वेरी बोल्ड, अजमेर की छोटे शहर से आना और उसके बाद इतना बोल्ड होना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा काम है, जो कि अपूर्वा सोनी, जी हाँ, जो कि अपूर्वा सोनी ने बखूबी करके दिखाया। उनके बहुत सारे बोल्ड अवतार हैं। हम उनसे इस बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे उन्होंने अपने आप को इतना बोल्ड किया और हम उनको जल्दी से इनवाइट कर लेते हैं अपूर्वा सोनी को। मैं वो देखता हूं कि वो इस वक्त लाइव है कि नहीं। आई थिंक अपूर्वा विल टेक फ्यू मोर मिनट्स टू कम as she is not online yet. Anyways, तो अपूर्वा सोनी के बारे में जहां तक मैं आपको बताऊं, बहुत ही अच्छी उनकी कहानी है, बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल कहानी है। छोटे से एक शहर अजमेर से वो बिलोंग करती हैं। 2015 में वो जब वो इन्होंने एलीट दिया था तो शी वॉज जस्ट 18 भी वो पूरी नहीं हुई थी और उन्होंने एलीट मिस राजस्थान दिया था। और ये जो 5 साल है उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी। वो सबसे पहले वो दिल्ली गए, दिल्ली जाके उन्होंने अपना करियर संवारा। उसके बाद वो मुंबई गई और मुंबई जाके फिर उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी। मैं देखता हूं कि क्या अपूर्वा इस वक्त ऑनलाइन है। अगर अपूर्वा इस वक्त ऑनलाइन होगी तो हम उनको रिक्वेस्ट भेज पाएंगे ज्वाइन करें। एलीट मिस राजस्थान में बहुत सारे सपने पूरे होते हैं। जो मैंने आपको बताया, जो लोग आ चुके हैं वो सब ने अपना करियर की शुरुआत एलीट मिस राजस्थान से करी थी और आज वो अपने करियर के बहुत अच्छे मुकाम पे हैं। और जिन भी लोगों से हम आपको मिलवाएंगे रोज, वो उन्होंने एलीट के ही से अपना करियर शुरू करा और आज वो किसी ना किसी अच्छे मुकाम पे पहुंच चुके हैं। किसी का कोई सवाल अगर मेरे लिए है तो हम ले सकते हैं। सर, यू हैव एनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर बॉयज बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वांट टू शाइन। हम जयपुर कुटियोर शो में और बहुत सारे हमारे जो कुटियोर शोज होते हैं उसमें बॉयज के साथ करते हैं, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और बहुत सारे बॉयज को हमने चांस दिया है। वो आप अपूर्वा सोनी या जी हाँ, हमने उनको रिक्वेस्ट भेज दी है अपूर्वा को, और किसी भी क्षण हमारे साथ अपूर्वा इस वक्त आ जाएंगी और हम उनके साथ हाय अपूर्वा। There was some technical mistake. I am all good. Yeah. What about you?
I think there was a technical mistake. I was trying to connect, but then it was not happening.
Yeah. First of all, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much. How are you? How have you been?
All well. How are the things? I'm in Mumbai. You're in Mumbai?
Yes, I'm in Mumbai. Things are really okay out here because all the shops are shut. Everything is shut. We can't really do anything. We can't shop. We can't go out. So yeah, it's a little difficult situation.
I can understand, Apurva. Let's start our today's chit chat session. My first question to you is: you started your career back in 2015 when you were just 17 years old and you participated in Elite Miss Rajasthan. Please tell us about your journey coming from a very small town, Ajmer. What's your journey?
So I would like to tell everybody I'm from Jaipur, and it was really very different journey for me because I've never thought that I will ever gonna be a model and ever gonna get a chance of doing a pageant or come to this level because so then I participated in Elite Miss Rajasthan. And I remember I won Miss Best Ramp Walk. So yeah, I really worked very hard, and I always tell people that whichever pageant or whichever platform you go to, you rehearse before you go and learn before you plan on going anywhere else. So I actually, before coming to this pageant, I worked for almost 6 months, and by that time I was sure that this is what I want to do, and I prepared myself mentally, and then I came to the pageant. Since then it has been a really good journey. I'm now in Mumbai. I went to Delhi after that, so yeah.
So you went to Delhi, as you said. Then you were the cover of India Today.
That's right.
How did that happen?
So I was a cover for India Today magazine 2016, and it was based on sex survey. So now if you hear it, it looks like, oh my God, what she has done. And that's the kind of expression I got from my family. But the industry I am in, it was a really overwhelming expression from their side because, yes, it's a very big platform. Today, if we talk about India Today cover, people like Narendra Modi comes there, people like Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, these are the people who become the cover there, and it is a very big platform. So I got this opportunity, but my family got really shocked when they saw me there, but then now they appreciate my all work, my passion and my hard work towards this. I got a lot of
Apurva, you said that true. Apurva, you said that was a sex survey. So you are a very bold model, as we all know. What are the advantages of being bold, and what are the disadvantages of being bold?
See, in the industry, it is always required to be bold. You need to be. You don't need to be bold as in like you are showing your skin everywhere. What is required is you should be bold in taking decisions, taking whatever work you're doing. It is very important to be bold over there. I mean, if somebody is asking you that this is the, let's say this is a CK campaign and I'm doing this Calvin Klein campaign, you have to be bold enough to take that opportunity and wear simple lingerie in the photo shoot. and that's a job. That's a job of a model. So these are the advantages that you need to be, very strong in taking decisions. And the disadvantages, as we all know, that you get a lot of trolls, you get a lot of haters, you get people who will always going to support you, but at the same time, people sometimes talk, but that's okay. That's how the life is.
How do you handle your negative criticism?
Oh, so touch wood. On my profile, I have got a lot of followers, and most of them,
68,000.
Huh?
68,000 followers.
Yes, that's right. But touch wood, nobody of them really hates me, because we say hate is a very, very big word, and people can dislike me, people can like me, but touch wood, I haven't got any hater till now. But yeah, there are people, because I don't interact much, I don't come on live very much, so a lot of people wants to ask a lot of questions, so they sometimes messages me. That little sometimes annoys, but then most of the time I reply to them.
A lot of people from fashion industry says that you can either love Apurva or hate Apurva. You cannot ignore Apurva, Soni. Is that true? Is that true?
Pageant industry needs to answer that. Yes, I mean, I want everybody to love me. Please love me. Don't hate me.
Apurva, there's a very good question coming from Megha. How did you feel when you become the cover girl of India Today magazine? It's a dream for many models.
See, that's true. And I became the cover at a very, very young age. So that time it was a really big opportunity, and after that I started getting a lot of offers. So because I have a dusky skin, so I moved to Delhi, and I got a lot of designers who started noticing me, and there was a media who was taking care of me everywhere I'm going and every whatever project I'm doing. So I started coming in the notice of a lot of people. So those were the advantages. And then I did my India's Next Top Model. I wasn't there for a longer time, but then through that only, that really helped me out in terms of coming in front of a lot of big people.
How come you shifted to Mumbai from Delhi?
Oh, it's been a really...
What made you shifted to Mumbai?
See, Delhi was really good for me. I was getting regular work in Delhi, but the problem with Delhi was that I was at one level. I mean, I was not being able to reach somewhere where I want to. I mean, it was just neutral. So then I thought that I should rather shift to Mumbai, because Mumbai is more of films, reality shows, TV shows, and I've always wanted to be an actor. So I was doing theatre actually in Jaipur with Jawahar Kala Kendra. So then I thought that I think I should move to Bombay. This is the right time, and then I got an opportunity also of being a part of India's Next Top Model. So then I moved to Bombay.
There is a question from Abhimanyu. Hi Apurva, I have a question. Does nepotism exists in Bollywood?
Can you repeat again?
There's a question from Abhimanyu. You can also see on your screen. Hi Apurva, I have a question. Does nepotism exist in Bollywood?
See, I would always say there is a nepotism, but there is also not a nepotism, which means that, see, if you have a talent, if you have a skill, and if you have something to show to your audience, there is nothing can stop you. There's Janhvi Kapoor. There are so many big TV stars.
Ananya Pandey also. Yeah, Ananya Pandey, Abhishek Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, exactly. So there are a lot of people who comes from a star background, but doesn't have that much of skills. So because of that, they lack. They are not being able to reach the level they want to. So I think that is one thing. You need to have a lot of skills in you.
True. There is one more question. Hey Apurva, we saw you playing soccer with Dino Moria. Is he your boyfriend? Please reply.
No, I'm not dating anyone. He's just a friend, and yeah, I play soccer with him, but we are just friends.
So you shifted to Mumbai, then happened India's Next Top Model. How did you crack the auditions of India's Next Top Model?
See, for reality shows and regular modeling is completely different, because reality shows require a lot of expressions from you. You cannot be just calm and, I don't care type of attitude. You need to be very reactive and very proactive in every way. and you need to speak with the people. It's very important in reality shows. So when I went for the audition, they really liked the way I was answering to them, because I remember they asked me that how will you deal with if you get into a fight, and how will you deal with it and all that. So I answered it really well, and also I was having a guide. I have been guided by Nayonika Chatterjee. She's a supermodel, so she guided me, and that's how I cracked the entire audition.
There's one more question. What is your next project with Pooja Bhatt, Apurva? Please reply.
Oh God.
Manya Singh has asked this question.
So I don't. So right now, as you all know, there's a quarantine going on, and all the projects and everything is shut. And Pooja Bhatt has recently shot for Sadak 2. So Sadak 2 will be releasing in 2020 or 2021. So maybe after that, the next project, maybe I'll work with her.
So India's next top model आपका हो गया. Then how come you become friends with Pooja Bhatt and all these film stars? कैसे बात होती थी आपके?
So when I did India's Next Top, actually from Delhi only, I know Pooja really well. I know quite a lot of people because I used to do social networking quite a well, because obviously we all know that networking is really important. And she's a really nice and really humble person, and we have a astrological connection. So I'm number 6,
Okay.
and she's also number 6, and the entire family is number 6. So if you say Alia Bhatt is born on 24th, which is number 6. I am born on 6th. Pooja is born on, I think, 24 again. So yeah, it's like a family number, and then we got connected. So yeah, that's how I got connected with her.
Then after INTM, you did some of the TV commercials also and web series also. Please tell us about that.
So after doing INTM, I used to go every day for like 5 auditions. And I did my level best to come into TV, because it's really hard. There are hundreds of actors which go to Aram Nagar for auditions every day. So yeah, I really worked hard for like 6 months, and after that I used to get casting calls from casting directors, and they started picking me up for the different TV commercials. So I did a TV commercial for MAC Cosmetics, Nykaa Cosmetics, and Sugar Cosmetics. So cosmetic brands are like, really favorite of mine. They have always picked me up. And also I've done TV commercials for Myntra. I did TV commercial for Mahindra SUV cars which we drive. So yeah, so it's been like a really nice journey, and I prefer doing TV series more than print shoots.
And what about the web series which you have done?
Oh, web series. I just completed this web series for Employers Entertainment. It's called Andekhi. And it has a really, really good character of mine, which is, I mean, if you see Gaurav, I have a really bold image in front of the entire Instagram and everywhere. But actually, if audiences is gonna see me there, it's completely opposite. So I have become a Naxalite. So it's a tribal look which I have, which I'm completely like, my bold image is this side and my tribal look is this side. So it's like completely opposite. So that's why I wanted to release as soon as possible, and everybody is going to be shocked seeing it.
Apurva, you were bold from the day one, or something in between came in your mind that now one day that you need to be bold, and how did it happen? As far as I know, you were bold from the day one.
Huh?
As far as I know, you were bold from the day one.
That's right. I think that's all my attitude. That's my persona, is really bold in terms of taking decisions or in terms of everything. So I like whether it is a photo shoot or everything, it should be really bold and really interesting. And otherwise, if you see in real, if I date somebody or if I do anything else, I'm really shy person. I'm the one who is like always most silent. So it's like again an opposite personality. I in front of social media and people, I'm like really bold, but in reality from inside I'm really shy.
Right. There's one more question for me. Hello sir, hello ma'am. My question is, knowledge of GK is important for beauty pageant competitions. Little bit knowledge of GK, not thorough knowledge of GK. Little bit knowledge of GK can go. There's a question for you, Apurva, by Mr. Faizu. When will you get to see you on big screen? Very excited. Bataiye Apurva.
2021.
Great.
That's for sure.
Diva Jen 51 says, "Oh my God, hi Apurva, I really love you."
Thank you so much. I'm so happy that people are really supporting.
Trend Talks are saying, "Ma'am, I'm your big fan from South. How was your experience shooting with Mahindra in South?"
Oh, so for Mahindra TVCs, we were for 6 days. We were just driving on roads, and we covered almost all the south places. And it's very difficult for me to remember the name, but I remember I was in Rajamundry, and So every place we were staying for 2 hours, and we were taking the car, and we were doing everything in the car. So eating to chit-chatting to everything was happening only in car, and only at night we were stopping. So it was like a really nice travel sort of a shoot, which was really fun. And Rajamundry is a very beautiful.
Person alive or dead? Who would it be?
Oh my God, alive or Narendra Modi alive?
Alive. Great.
Alive.
Uh,
No dead.
Trend Talks is saying, "I started following you since 2014. Everybody is praising you, Apurva. I must say that you have a lot of fans. I love your skin." Very, very good question. "I love your skin tone." Apurva, your skin tone is really helped you a lot in your career. Is that so?
Um, yes, it really helped me out, but yes, actually, it helped me out because a lot of designers used to prefer me over a white model because dusky skin tone looks really beautiful in camera. So that is one thing. Plus the attitude which I had towards, I've always been really thankful towards people, whatever, whosoever has given me work. So I think that also really helped me out. But
There was
asking
one
with you,
compliment.
Gaurav, tell me
Uh-huh.
your journey. I want to know.
My journey started long back in 2002 when I came to Jaipur for engineering and all these things, and then business started. And there is lot. We'll talk to you some other day. आज हम
Yeah,
तुम्हारा
one day
interview
I'll do
लेंगे.
a live session with you.
Sure, why not? I will be love to do a live session with you. There's a
Yeah.
compliment for you. We saw your article in Jaipur Times. Divya Jain is saying this. We saw your article in Jaipur Times. You are the most inspiring women in Rajasthan. That's a big compliment for
Thank,
you, Apurva.
thank you so much. I'm really happy that people are supporting
Again,
me.
Trent Talks is saying, "We love your sketching hobby. Can you please showcase one or more of them?"
So actually, Gaurav, I do sketching as my hobby, and I'm actually planning for my collection. So I'll actually show you my paintings. Hold
Yeah,
on.
please do that. Please do that.
Uh, so if you see,
Okay.
this is what I've done by pencil.
My God. Very good, yeah.
And this is another one piece at my home.
Beautiful.
This is also done by pencil.
Great. Love.
That's
Beautiful.
also one thing. So guys, this is my hobby. And one second, let me put my
Sachi Rever is saying, "You speak really well, Apurva. Love from Elite Family." She's our 2019 finalist, one of the finalists of 2019. Sachi Rever. She's
Oh,
watching
thank
us,
you so much.
Abhi.
Thank you so much, Sachi. I hope you are enjoying in the quarantine. Well, nobody is.
Swati
But
Jangir from Jodhpur is saying, "Really, you are a beautiful soul."
thank you
So
so
lot
much.
of people are, applauding you, Apurva. How does it feel to have so much of fan following?
I'm so happy. I mean, people understands me and they follow me and they. I mean, more than I inspire people, they inspire me a lot. So that is
Great.
one thing. And then I
What
would
about
like
your
to, uh-huh.
What about your solo trip to Mumbai and London and Europe?
Oh yes.
There are a lot of questions coming for it.
Oh my God. Yes. So I did a solo trip. I thought this Diwali, I'm going to celebrate it in Europe. So then I went from Mumbai to Rome and actually saw a lot of things. The culture in Rome is completely different. I'm really sad about the fact in Rome all the people are, are getting infected, and one of my friend is actually stuck in Italy. So it's really difficult. Then I went to Barcelona. Barcelona has been really beautiful. I mean, the beach and the places and the kind of people I've met on my solo trip will always gonna be with me forever. And in London, I went for a photo shoot. So yeah, I went there for 2 days, but then I extended it for 3-4 more days, and I did like a small shoot, and I went around in London, all the small little corners, and I actually went to a gay bar. So that's
Okay.
kind of really yeah, different. Such beautiful men, and
Uh-huh.
oh my god, but just they're gay, beautiful men.
A lot of people are asking that, hey Gaurav, can you please make me meet Apurva? Please, please, please. A lot of people are saying that they want to
Yeah,
meet you,
actually,
Apurva.
when I'll come to Jaipur now, I'll call everybody. I'll put a status, and then everybody can come and meet me. I should do that.
Acha, Apurva, how important is to be an independent woman so that you can live your dream like you have lived, you have gone to Europe as a solo person, solo trip. How important is to be an independent girl?
See, I have always been independent. So I'll tell you my journey from the start. So in school, I used to be known as a businesswoman, and I used to sell notes. I used to sell. I used to give my scooty on rent. So this is how I started, and I started gaining money, and I used to, spend it where. So a person needs to understand where they want to earn the money from and where they need to invest to become something, and that is what's going to make you dependent. Let's say a businessman earns from somewhere and spend it somewhere else. Similarly, if you want to be a model or if you want to be whatever in life, I think you should not be dependent on your family to do something. Today, if my family has sent me to Delhi and they have trusted me and sent me to Mumbai, that's only because I have showed them that this is what I can do, this is what else I can do. If a modeling didn't work, this is what else I can do. So I think you need to utilize the sources which you have, which a lot of people literally lack this. They say, okay, I don't have this, and once I'm going to get this, then I will do XYZ. No, this doesn't work like that. Whatever you have to start from then and there. That's very, very important. To be a independent person on yourself. And I would always say, if you're independent, you will be able to take all your decisions by your own. So independent is very important.
Talking about family, how's your mother, Apurva?
My mom is really good. She's missing me a lot, and
She's in Ajmer. Where is she?
she's in Ajmer. She's in Ajmer, and she's missing me a lot. She keep on telling me stay at home, don't go out anywhere else, because I was planning to go for horse riding.
Okay, you have pets also at home in Mumbai? You have pets also?
So I actually have 2 pets. One is my cat Momo, and one is my pet which is in stables, which is a horse. And I go and do riding, and I see him very often.
So you like horse riding also?
Yes, I love horse riding. I recently started doing it, and I'm in complete love. I'm planning for doing show jumping competition for Maharashtra Equestrian Sports. So, yeah.
Oh, that's great. Lovely, lovely. And what about the football thing? You're playing football for Bombay Superstar Club.
Yes, so I'm playing for Mumbai Superstar League 2.0, and I was never a proper professional footballer, but as we all say, that start from the scratch. So I went and I told them I really want to learn and all that. So they said that come do the practice with us. We're gonna train you fully, and I have a little bit of sporty body and sporty energy. So then they said that okay, no problem, we will take you up, and I qualified in that, and then they picked me up in the team.
Ahana is saying the most beautiful dusky model in India for you.
Thank you.
Mahima is asking for what in your life do you feel most you're grateful? You're grateful to whom? I mean, in your life, aisa bol rahi hai.
I'm very much grateful to my mother, because my mother is a single parent, and she doesn't have we don't have a very big family. So coming from a middle class background, and she has been so supportive towards me. So I think that is one person in my life I will be always thankful for, and how much I can be thankful, I cannot, मैं उनको धन्यवाद नहीं कर सकती.
आपने पहली बार हिंदी बोला है. कई लोग मुझसे पूछे थे कि इनको हिंदी नहीं आती है क्या?
अरे हिंदी आती है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी हिंदी आती है.
हाँ.
बट बॉम्बे के अंदर सब लोग क्या इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, तो इंग्लिश के अंदर मोस्टली पे कॉन्वर्सेशन इंग्लिश में चल जाता है.
Right,
भी
right,
आती है
right.
मुझे.
Jaipur Diary one is saying only celebrity from Rajasthan who has achieved so much in life. Anyone can get TikTok followers, but you are such a very, very unique person.
Thank you so much. I actually just now came on TikTok. I was not on TikTok
Okay,
before, but then I thought कि थोड़ा अभी कुछ हो नहीं रहा ना यहाँ पे. So I've made a
true.
plan of quarantine for 21 days. Morning I'll do yoga. Then I'll do
Oh,
my sketching as a hobby. Then I'll
right.
work on my acting skills because that's very, very important.
So you
For
live alone, or you have somebody with you in
no,
Mumbai?
no,
Abhi.
I live alone, and I always I live with a friend of mine who is stuck in Italy.
Okay,
So right now I'm completely alone with my pet.
right. There's one
He's a,
question: you prefer Delhi or Mumbai? Which is your favorite city?
what do you think, Gaurav? Delhi or Mumbai?
I think Mumbai.
Okay, Delhi has given me a lot of work, but both are equal for me. I get a lot of events opportunity and different kind of opportunity from outside Mumbai. But at the same time, to be something and to be stable and work more in films and TV commercials and all, Mumbai is the best.
Manisha Devjani is asking, is she from Elite Miss Rajasthan? Yes, she is from Elite Miss Rajasthan.
That's
She
right.
participated in 2015 and she won that Best Catwalk Award in 2015.
Yeah.
Madam, you are proud for us. And sir, again, a request for a boys pageant.
You should
I
start
get a
doing it.
lot, I get a lot of requests for boys pageant.
You should do
Apurva,
it.
what do you say?
No, no, I think you should completely do it, yeah. I mean, Rajasthan boys should be, they are doing so well. I mean, I know a lot of friends in Mumbai, they're doing so good. And I think if Rajasthan boys are given an opportunity, they're going to rock.
Great, great, great. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you for coming with us and sparing your time with us. It is always a pleasure to talk to you. You are a beautiful soul. I have said
Thank you
from the
so
day
much.
one. और
Thank you
जब
so
हम
much.
14 में मिले थे आपसे तभी मैंने आपको कहा था कि you will go a long way. Remember that?
Yes, very well.
You were
Very
just
well.
17, 16, 17 years old, and
No,
we
Gaurav,
met.
you've been really helpful since then. So I really appreciate it. I really always thankful for you.
And I said in 2014 that this girl will go a long way. And you have made me proud and made Elite Miss Rajasthan proud. Thank you, Apurva, for your precious time. God
All
bless
right.
you, and do very well and meet me soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for so much love. Oh,
Okay,
Gaurav,
bye
wait.
bye.
Let's do a
Yeah.
selfie.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye. तो देखा आपने ये थी बहुत टैलेंटेड अपूर्वा सोनी 2015 में एलिट मिस राजस्थान किया, दिल्ली गई, अपने सपने साकार किए, मुंबई पहुंची, INTN इंडिया नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल किया, बहुत सारी वेब सीरीज करी, बहुत सारे कमर्शियल्स करे, दिन रात ऑडिशंस दिए और आज इस मुकाम पे हैं कि डीनो मोरिया के साथ ये फुटबॉल खेलती हैं, पूजा भट्ट के साथ ये उठती बैठती खाती पीती हैं और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात सोलो ट्रिप यूरोप और लंदन का करना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। एलिट मिस राजस्थान के हर दिन हम आपको किसी ना किसी एक एक्स एलिट मिस राजस्थान गर्ल से मिलवाते हैं और उनकी कहानी के बारे में हम यहां बात करते हैं। आप लोगों को अगर कोई सुझाव हो, कोई इस प्रोग्राम के लिए कुछ अच्छी कोई बात बतानी हो तो आप मेरा नंबर नोट कर लें 9680045992 एंड 9829020021। दोनों नंबर मेरे हैं। आप मुझसे कभी भी कोई बात कर सकते हैं, एलिट मिस राजस्थान से रिलेटेड हो या कोई और बात भी हो, मैं जरूर से कोशिश करूंगा कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करूं। एलिट मिस राजस्थान 2020 सीजन 7 का शेड्यूल कैसे रहेगा वो सब कुछ डिपेंड करेगा लॉकडाउन कितना बढ़ता है। अभी हम जानते हैं कि जयपुर एक हॉटस्पॉट है और बहुत सारे केसेस जयपुर में हैं जो पता चले हैं हमें, तो हो सकता है कि 3 मई के बाद भी जयपुर में कुछ एक्सटेंड हो, तो उस पर डिपेंड करेगा एलिट मिस राजस्थान का सेशन कब होता है। मेघा पूछ रही है गौरव प्लीज गो फॉर सम प्रोजेक्ट विद हर। या वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क विद अपूर्वा। अपूर्वा हमारे फैशन शोज में भी आती हैं, जयपुर कुटीर शोज में भी आती हैं, और जयपुर भी जब भी वो आती हैं तो जरूर मुझसे मिलती हैं, और एलीट का भी पार्ट है वो, और एक दो बार उन्होंने जज भी किया है एलीट को। माय नंबर, प्लीज रिपीट योर नंबर। माय नंबर्स आर 9829020021 एंड 9680045992। यू कैन, अगर आप ये मिस कर देते हैं ये सेशन आज का, तो ये हमारी स्टोरी पे अवेलेबल होता है। एलीट मिस राजस्थान की स्टोरी पे अगर आप जाएंगे तो लाइव का बटन दबाएंगे तो ये आ जाएगा। इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई पुराने एपिसोड देखने हो, चाहे वो लेखा के साथ हो, चाहे वो चारवी के साथ हो, चाहे वो नेहा जायसवाल के साथ हो, तो आप YouTube पे जाके आप अगर जयपुर कुटीर शो हमारा एक फैशन शो है उसके पेज से जाएंगे, एलीट मिस राजस्थान टाइप करेंगे, तो वहां पे आपको बहुत सारे आप सीजन में ये सारे हम जो कर रहे हैं ये मिल जाएंगे। मोना गौतम का है, सर यू डोंट रिप्लाई टू मी। मोना, आपसे तो मैं 24/7 फोन पे होता हूं, आप से ज्यादा टच में कोई भी नहीं है मेरे साथ, तो आप पूछिए मुझसे आपको क्या पूछना है, डेफिनेटली आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू। और हम नेक्स्ट वीक आपके साथ लाइव भी आने वाले हैं। सांची रेवर मेरा नंबर लिख रही है। सांची, आपको मेरा नंबर अब तक रट गया होगा क्योंकि मैं कम से कम बहुत बार बोल चुका हूं। आकांक्षा भल्ला बोल रही है, लेट्स कम लाइव विद मोना। आकांक्षा, डेफिनेटली विल कम लाइव विद मोना, बट बिफोर कमिंग लाइव विद मोना टुमारो I'm gonna come live with आकांक्षा भल्ला। आकांक्षा भल्ला के बारे में मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर दूं आपको। आकांक्षा भल्ला राजस्थान की बहुत बड़ी मॉडल, सुपर मॉडल आप कह सकते हैं, प्लस राजा बेटा फेम। राजा बेटा एक सीरियल है जो कि जी टीवी पे आता था, अभी वो ओवर हो चुका है, उसमें एक बहुत मेन लीड आकांक्षा भल्ला ने निभाया था। उसके अलावा बहुत सारे ये एल्बम्स कर चुकी हैं, बहुत सारे ये फैशन शोज कर चुकी हैं, वो तो हम सब देखते ही हैं इनकी इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल पे, और बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स और बहुत सारी फैन फॉलोइंग इनकी है, क्योंकि मैं इनको बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूं और बहुत सारे मैसेजेस और बहुत सारी चीजें इनके फ्लोट करती रहती हैं। ऋषभ कह रहे हैं आई लव यू अपूर्वा। अपूर्वा से हम सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं। इज एलीट मिस राजस्थान ओनली फॉर पीपल फ्रॉम राजस्थान? यस सोनी यादव, एलीट राजस्थान is only for people of Rajasthan, but if you are studying in Rajasthan and you are not living in Rajasthan, then also you can be a part of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Where did Apurva go? I'm a big fan. Please make a meet again.